What's up, everybody? Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, Trudgy's Motorcycling Experiences. I'm Trudgy, and I want to take you with me on getting my motorcycle license, riding my bike for the first time, tips and tricks with gears, show you some mistakes that I made along the way, show you some parts that I put on my Harley, and hopefully I can do reviews on other Harleys and other parts as well as we get this channel going. So a little bit of background on myself. My real name's Andrew. Everyone calls me Trudgy. I've been a Harley Davidson lover my entire life, and I've wore the t-shirts, the shoes, the jewelry, have all kinds of Harley Davidson stuff. I've never had the bike. So now this year I finally have the bike, and I can't wait to get on the road. But safety first. We got to get through the course. We got to learn how to maneuver that big bad boy. And I'm really excited about that whole experience, and I want to take you along with me. So I bought a 2022 Harley Davidson Street Bob 114. I did do a bunch of stuff to it right at the dealership before I actually took it. I do have the bike now, but I cannot ride it. Let me just say that it didn't go quite as expected. And you're going to see that in some future videos. But what's this channel going to do going forward? Motorcycle vlogging. I'm going to take you along with my rides. I hope to get up Northern Ontario. I like to find the little small towns, find those local pizza shops, ice cream shops, and just have some fun. I hope to meet some other motorcyclists along the way and take you guys to rallies and meets and different events, maybe at some of the local dealerships. And as I get more comfortable with riding, I hope to do some reviews on some other bikes, Harley Davidson parts, and really whatever anyone wants to give me to review. I have some gear that I'm going to review and trying to take you on that journey of how I pick the gear and some of the mistakes and things that I kind of made at the beginning. So I'm really excited. Hope you stick around. Trudgy's Motorcycling Experience video number 1 in the bag. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and let's get this channel going. All right, thanks everybody.